So in this video, you will understand how to onboard and deboard an ASP from the Emirates portal. So as I walk you through this, you will have an understanding as to how to use your UAE pass to log in, how to navigate through the Emirates portal, how to successfully onboard and deboard an ASP, and the most important one out of them all, which is the ASP for you. First, let's log into the Emirates portal using your UAE pass or your email ID and phone number. And once you log in, you can select the company by clicking on the View button over here. And now to your corner left, you can see a new option called E-Invoicing. Select that and then select the terms and conditions, agree to it, and click on Next. And now you can see the list of the ASPs. Go to the search bar and search your preferable ASP. Over here, we are selecting Flick Network. And once that is done, click on Proceed to ASP. This would redirect you to our website where you would have to enter your registered email ID with the Emirates portal along with your TIN number. And if you want to see your email ID, you can check it on the Emirates portal. And once you enter all the necessary information, click on Verify Applicant Details. Now, here you can see all of your company's details. Verify those, make sure they are right, and now click on I declare that all of this information is correct. Now, click on Submit. Now, once you click submit, the rest of the process is handled by our server. We will check if you're already registered in Peppol. And if not, we will create a Peppol ID for you based on your TIN number and onboard you into the Peppol network. And there you go. It's that simple to onboard Flick Network as your ASP with just a few clicks. And once you link with an ASP, it would show the Peppol enabled as yes, along with your Peppol ID mentioned over there. And then you can proceed by clicking on Continue to Login, which will redirect you to the login page of Flick Network. And you'll also receive an email on your registered email ID specifying that you have successfully onboarded Flick Network as your ASP. And it will also highlight all the other relevant details over there, like the credentials and the password that you can use for your login. And now let's talk about how to delink an ASP. In certain scenarios where you may want to change your ASP or just completely delink. Let's cover this part. To offboard an ASP, go to the linkage status with ASP. And over here, you can see that the ASP has already been onboarded, hence the status is showing in green. And now click on the offboard and re-verify option, as you can see over here. Re-verification is usually used when there is a change in your tax status or any other related incidents. And now over here, just enter your email ID. You don't have to enter your TIN number as it would already be repopulated as you're linked with an ASP. Before clicking on the applicant details, select the delink option. And now we will check if your Peppol ID is linked with Flick's access point. If yes, we will delink your Peppol ID. Thank you for watching. I hope this session was an informative one. And if you're interested in e-invoicing, do reach out to us on sales@flick.network. We will be more than happy to assist you and looking forward to welcoming you.